Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Andre, and for today's vlog ay pupunta tayo sa one of the biggest Chinatown dito sa Bangkok. Three pieces. We have sour cream, pizza, and salted egg. We will try the jellyfish. Little spicy. Yeah. Wala siyang lasa na nalansa, tapos lumalagotok siya pag binunguya. Parang siyang lasang plastic. Melon daw to, guys. Tignan natin. Sarap. Pero masarap, guys, yung mismong sabaw niya, saka yung sagop, sarap. Nagte-trending na dancing shrimp. What? Look, guys! It's jumping! Guys, tignan nyo, tumatalon-talon pa.